everybody, it's me. I just wanted to, hold on, I'm so crooked. One day I'm going to take a picture of this setup that I have going on here right now. But I wanted to hop on, and my makeup's already done, lovey. But I wanted to do a lip for you guys, and I told the ladies in my VIP page that I was gonna do a lip, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna do a stain. So happy whatever day it is. Tuesday. I don't have a clue. Hey Helena. I always say your name like that. Hi Elena. Hi Elena. I always say Helena's name like a caveman. Take a good look at this hair too, because it's sayonara on Thursday. But so my makeup has been done all day because I had crap to do earlier. So I can't talk and do this. So I wanted to just come on and do a nice little lip for you. I'm using a color that I don't have. So I'm using like teeny tiny Barbie sized sample that you get in the presenter's kit, because this isn't a color that I wear a lot. I'm not a red person. I mean, I'll try anything once, but it's not something I go to all the time. I'm feeling a little fierce today. I did a pretty good cat eye, right? Somebody, anybody, Bueller? So I'm like, I'm just gonna go full Taylor Swift today. If Taylor Swift was like an awkward mother of 3 that had nothing better to do with their time except make makeup videos. Living the dream. Okay, so I did about 900 coats of that. But like you get like, look at this. You get like nothing on this teeny tiny little thing. I'm gonna let it dry. Brianna, you're nuts, but thank you. Crazy girl. Okay, so I'm gonna let that dry. Hey, Lindsay. It's a party up in here today, huh? So I'm gonna let my stain dry for a couple seconds. I got nowhere to be. 2 out of my 3 kids aren't here. One is sleeping, so I got all day to let these lips dry. But this is Saucy, and this is a color, again, that I don't have in my arsenal because I'm not like a red wearer. So I got this little teeny tiny thing on my lips right now, and I want it to dry because I want to show you how fantastic it is. It's almost dry. It doesn't take long, but I put on like, usually you put a coat on, you let it dry, and then you put another coat. No, I don't do that. I don't play by the rules. So it's probably dry. I don't want to like psych you guys out and be like, look, it doesn't come off. And then there's a little bit on there because I hate that. So I'm going to get up close. It's a true red. Saucy. And ready? You're going to make out with your hand all day. It won't come off. It's amazing. They are truly amazing. Lip stains, FYI, fact you didn't know. Fact of the day. Sappy lip stain was the very first purchase I ever got from Younique. Okay, so I put the Saucy on. I'm going to bump it up. I'm using Lethal lip gloss. I need a mirror, like up close mirror, which this is like red. It is so pretty. There's like a teeny tiny bit of shimmer in it. I hate shimmery anything on my lips, honestly. But this is great. Hi, Janelle. How was Harry Potter? How gorgeous is that? And the thing about it is that, I mean, a gloss is a gloss, and it's going to like kind of fade, you know, away. But you got that lip stain underneath. It's just going to back it all up. You're not going to go lipless today. So there we go. How's it look? Be honest. Or don't be honest. You can just lie to me. It tells me it looks okay. Look how cute it is. It has a little mirror on it. $10. I didn't peel this off. I've had it for months. Ready? Yep. That's how I roll. I'm so awkward. But it has a little mirror on it, so you can be like checking your hot self out all day. Thanks, Leslie. Hi, I didn't even see you. You just crept in here. So, what is this? I'm done for the day. Now I can go do whatever I want because my house is quiet. I always think I find the perfect red. Then I get home and put it on and it's got a pink or orange tint to it. I want a true red and that looks like it is. Ashley, you are so correct. Oh, thank you. Thank you, Brianna. So I don't wear red a lot and this is skittish down here. The other lip stains that we have, like we have Sappy, and that's kind of like a pinkish red. It's like a berry. And then I know what you mean about, like we have a lipstick called Vain, and that's more of like a magenta red. Like you want a true red. It's these, and I'll put this on my hand so you can kind of see too. But Saucy is a true red, like fire engine. And so is the Lethal, and I'll put this on my hand too so you guys can see it. The Lethal is, it's perfection. Look at that. You see? Because this is like a true matte red, and then this is the gloss red. And there you go. And then you can rock the red. That's all I got for today. Hope you liked it. My lips will stay on all day. Maybe. But pretty good, right? All right, that's all I got. I'll see you ladies later. Thanks for joining. Thanks for hanging. Bye.